It is the kind of bill that passes without a headline. Add 4 judges to the Supreme Court, raise its sanctioned strength from 33 to 37. 4 seats. But that small number sits on top of one of the more consequential facts about the Indian state. India's top court is among the busiest apex courts in the world. It hears a volume of matters that its counterparts in other large democracies would not recognize, and it carries a backlog to match. More judges means the court can constitute more benches, hear more in parallel, and, in principle, work through its list faster. Here is the catch. That number is a ceiling, not a floor. It sets how many judges the court is allowed to have, it does not put judges in the seats. For much of its recent history the court has run below its sanctioned strength, with seats left empty while the appointments process worked at its own pace. Raising the limit does nothing until the seats are actually filled. And capacity is only one part of the arithmetic of delay. The others are inflow, how many cases arrive, and procedure, how efficiently each is disposed of. A court can add judges and still see pendency rise if filings grow faster, or if too much of its time goes to matters that arguably belong lower in the system. None of this is an argument against the bill. Adding 4 seats is a sensible, low-drama step, and expanding capacity is a precondition for any serious dent in backlog. It is simply a reason to read it for what it is. 4 seats is a lever, not a solution. The honest measure a year from now is not the ceiling Parliament sets, but the gap beneath it. How many of the 37 seats actually have a judge in them? The full story is on the Indian account. Link in the description.